This week's Worst Call takes us to the StubHub Center for a divisional matchup between the Broncos and Chargers. At the beginning of the fourth quarter, Broncos quarterback Case Keenum led the offense down the field, and running back Phillip Lindsay ran the ball in to score a touchdown. The score became 20-19 with Denver leading the way. The Broncos decided to go for the two-point conversion to give themselves a little extra padding on the scoreboard. Keenum attempted to run the ball into the end zone himself, but he was tackled as he stretched out to put the ball over the goal line. Despite the ball extending over the goal line, the officials blew the whistle and ruled the two-point attempt as a failure. Keenum questioned the call immediately, but Broncos head coach Vance Joseph didn't throw the challenge flag. The fourth quarter continued, and the scoreboard still read 20-19. When the broadcast announcer slowed down the play, it appears that the football broke the plane before Keenum's knees hit the ground. The announcers believe the ball crossed the goal line, and the play should have added 2 points to the Broncos' score. Joseph thought it should have counted as well, so why not throw the challenge flag? He said, quote, "I'm talking to our staff in the press box because obviously I can't see the replays. Those guys give me the evidence to challenge, so if it's not clear, they tell me, 'Coach, it's not clear. We can't tell.'" We get it. The Broncos didn't want to risk losing a timeout, but it's also pretty obvious Keenum broke the plane. Joseph went on to say, "I would prefer if the officials just call it on the positive side because it's a built-in fix for them. It was more important to keep our timeout there without having clear evidence." The no call was the beginning of an intense fourth quarter. The Chargers added to their score with a field goal, giving them the lead up until the closing moments of the game. Ultimately, the Broncos scored a game-winning field goal with just 3 seconds left on the clock. No doubt this game will only fuel the rivalry flames when the Broncos and Chargers meet again in Week 17 for their regular season finale.